Welcome to BPMS, the Building Performance Modeling Systems platform. We're excited to have you join a growing community of energy professionals who are transforming the way buildings are analyzed, documented, and improved. Whether you're an independent energy auditor, a home performance contractor, an HVAC professional, a weatherization agency, or a utility program administrator, BPMS was built to simplify your workflow, improve accuracy, and help you deliver exceptional results to your customers. In this course, we'll introduce you to the platform, explain the capabilities, and prepare you to confidently begin using BPMS. Thank you. By the end of this course, you'll understand what BPMS is, who it's designed for, how the platform is organized, and how the different modules work together to support your business. You'll also learn how to navigate the interface, understand your dashboard, and identify the tools available within your subscription. BPMS is a cloud-based building performance management platform that brings together every major function required to perform professional residential and light commercial energy assessments. Instead of using multiple software programs to perform audits, calculate heating and cooling loads, prepare proposals, generate reports, create invoices, and manage customers. BPMS integrates these workflows into one single platform. The result is a streamlined experience that reduces duplicate entry, improves consistency, and allows your team to focus more on serving customers and less on administrative tasks. BPMS. Depending on your subscription, BPMS may include customer management, energy audits, building envelope analysis, utility usage analysis, HVAC assessment, domestic hot water evaluation, appliance and lighting assessment, proposal generation, work scope builder, invoice management, Department of Energy home energy score, HPXML exports, the companion app BPMSField mobile integration, BPMS Thermal, BPMS LiDARScan, BPMS Load Calc, analytic and reporting, team collaboration, and cloud storage. BPMS is designed for professionals across the building performance industry. Energy auditors use BPMS to document existing building conditions and generate comprehensive audit reports. HVAC contractors use BPMS to perform room-by-room load calculations and equipment sizing. Home performance contractors use the platform to identify opportunities for insulation, air sealing, and mechanical upgrades. Weatherization agencies can use BPMS to standardize inspections and reporting while maintaining consistency across multiple technicians. Utility companies can use the platform to collect standardized data and evaluate energy efficiency programs. After logging into BPMS, you'll arrive at your dashboard. The dashboard serves as the central command center for your organization. Here you'll find quick access to your current projects, recent activity, notifications, and key platform modules. The navigation menu provides access to major areas of the application, including audits, proposals, invoices, reporting, customer records, integrations, and administrative settings. Throughout the platform, you'll notice a consistent layout designed to minimize clicks and keep commonly used tools within easy reach. BPMS offers multiple subscription plans designed to meet the needs of organizations of different sizes. As your business grows, additional capabilities become available without requiring you to migrate to another software platform. Some advanced modules, including specialized analysis tools, advanced reporting, and enterprise collaboration features, may be available only within higher subscription tiers. Your organization's administrator can manage subscriptions and available modules from the administration section. One of the greatest strengths of BPMS is that each module shares information with the others. Information entered during the audit automatically becomes available when generating reports, proposals, invoices, and engineering calculations. Photographs collected using BPMSField appear within the audit. Thermal images captured in BPMS Thermal become part of the permanent project documentation. LiDAR scans generated using BPMS LiDARScan can assist in building measurements and geometry. Load calculations performed using BPMS LoadCalc utilizes information already collected during the audit process. This integrated workflow minimizes duplicate entry while improving consistency and reducing opportunities for error. As you begin using BPMS, we recommend following a few best practices. Keep your company information up to date. Verify customer information before beginning each audit. Complete each section of an audit before moving to the next whenever possible. Upload photographs during or immediately after your site visit. Review reports carefully before delivering them to your customer. And finally, ensure your team members understand your organization's workflow so that data remains accurate and consistent. Congratulations on completing Course 1. Welcome to BPMS. In this lesson, you've learned what BPMS is, who it serves, how the platform is organized, and how its integrated modules work together to streamline the building performance workflow. In the next course, we'll guide you through setting up your company profile, configuring branding, inviting team members, assigning permissions, and preparing your organization for productive use of the platform. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in Course 2.